Do you know what's hard to find? Fashion watch ads that don't have loud, blaring music in the background. But here at Scameti, we couldn't care less about that. We've spent decades finding the right balance between misleading marketing, profit, and sports cars. Here's where we're at today. Our innovative design team crafts all our watches in-house from the ground up. Rest assured, no stone is left unturned in the quest for perfection. These artisans even point to computer screens while at an uncomfortable distance from one another. Da Vinci will be proud. Scameti watches are handmade with top-tier bottom-of-the-barrel materials in a rat-infested factory in China that I've, thankfully, never laid foot in. All the while, we'll market these as having 16 times the detail of our competitors, the same competitors we aren't confident enough to name. Then we plaster the words premium, luxury, and quality all over our website. We know you're that gullible. We'll continually repeat these buzzwords while showing you montages of people doing impressively stupid things in our watches. Take a look for yourself. Our customer service is excellent, for those who leave a 5-star review. Had a bad experience? Don't worry, we'll delete your review from our website and pretend your complaint doesn't exist. How else will we have 99% positive feedback? Here we insert the token sustainability section. Even though our products are made in China, comfortably the world's largest polluter, we're still gonna claim we care about the environment. Do we actually give a f? I mean, look at my eyes. I'm reading off a script. In fact, to pay for even more sports cars, here's our sponsor, Raid Shadow Legends. Raid is the premier RPG game with over 700 champions for you to collect. Dominate the battlefield with one of 15 awesome factions, including orcs and the undead. Then slaughter the opposition in 12 terrifying dungeons. Take your squad into battle against players around the world in 3 exciting PvP modes. Continue the fun with Raid's regular content updates. Experience Raid anytime, anywhere on mobile or PC. Fine-tune your champion builds and develop your artifacts to create a team of invincible warriors. Raid is almost as famous as us, with over 400 million players in nearly 200 countries. But now is the perfect time to hop in with the free legendary champion, the mighty Orc Warlord Artak, introduced with Raid Shadow Legends Call of the Arbiter. Go on then, you want some, mate? You want some? Just log in for 7 days between now and July 24th to unlock him. It's easy. With all this exciting stuff and more coming to Raid, if you haven't started playing, then what are you waiting for? Use my link in the description or my QR code to get insane bonuses. We're talking an epic champion knight errant and other useful things. So just hit my link in the description and I'll see you on the battlefield. Behind the scenes, we're secretly bricking ourselves. Our vain customers have started wearing smartwatches, but our dodgy Chinese factory doesn't make smartwatches. And I'm not sure how long this whole thing will last. To prop up my excessive lifestyle, head to scameti.store and use this 24/7 discount code, because our watches aren't even worth their retail price. Buy your exclusive timepiece, and if you're an influencer shill, email us so we can bribe you. We're better than Rolex! And remember, I'm better than you. Join the revolution! Nice. Are we going to tell them how much these cost per unit? Oh, and thanks to Raid Shadow Legends for sponsoring this ad. Use my link in the description or scan the QR code for insane bonuses and an epic champion. Now, where's my Lambo?